Alright guys, so you see the title of the thumbnail, you already know what time it is, so let's get down to work. If you're new to the page, my name is HM Crypto and my job is to provide you with crypto tutorials. So today we're going over Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is Binance's cryptocurrency wallet. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, so you can really feel secure and safe with this app. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm not a financial advisor. Any investment decision should be made off your own research and due diligence. So let's hop right into this video. Okay guys, so right now we're in the Trust Wallet app. It should say private and secure. You could get this on the Play Store, so any Google Play Store or Apple Play Store should have the exact app that we're working with. So we have to we have to select on create a new wallet. And then we have to enter a passcode. So let's just, oh yeah, by the way, make sure you have a pen and pad. I always carry this book with me. This book has, a lot of my cryptocurrency secrets, but so make sure you have a pen and paper. Write it down. All right. Let's go plug that in right now. And then we have to enter it again. Okay. So now you have to back up your wallet. This is important. You see how they give you 12 secret phrases. Don't share this with anyone. Man, I cannot stress this enough. So many people fall to crypto scammers because they ask you for your secret phrase. No reputable crypto project will ask you for your secret phrase. So don't ever give that away. This is for you and you only. So that's why you write it down on paper or store it in a secure digital ledger, on your computer or secure wallet. So, all right. Make sure you select the terms of agreement. So, yes, if I expose my secret, it is my full responsibility. Continue. All right. So now you'll see the 12 words, and you're gonna have to. You see what I just said? Do not share your secret phrase with anyone. If someone has your secret phrase, they will have full control over your wallet. So learn this. Get it imprinted in your mind. So, okay. Now we'll write down the 12 words in the order, in the specified order, and then we'll re-enter them. So here we go. All right, see, it's as simple as that. So our wallet is created, and now we have our main cryptos on there. Oh, before when I got started, I would have to search for BNB, so it's already there. So all right, so there we go. Then you have your Discover tab. That's what you get to see what protocols are staking, and then our DApps. We'll go with the DApps. We'll go into it in depth in another video. So, and then you have your settings, and there you go. Your account is set up. So, all right, guys. So we finished setting up our Trust Wallet. So now we can go on to DEXs, decentralized exchanges, and trade different cryptocurrencies. Oh yeah, by the way, you can also name your Trust Wallet as well. Go into settings, change the name if you have different wallets for different purposes. That's also a useful tool. So if you got value out this video, be sure to like and subscribe, comment below, also hit the post notification so every time I drop a video, you'll be the first to know. And check out my links as well. Webull. Webull is really good because they have crypto on there as well. But if you use my referral, you get 6 free stocks for depositing 1 penny. I mean, come on, that's just take the money, Plus they have good charting tools as well, so that's what's up. Use Coinbase too. Coinbase deposit $100, get $10 in Bitcoin when you trade any crypto on their platform. Crypto.com. Use my referral, get 25 USD in Crow, so you get some free Crow. So yeah, that's great. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm also gonna link 2 videos at the end. If you haven't set up your Coinbase account in terms of like sending crypto, I'll link that video as well, how to send crypto from Coinbase seamlessly, as well as my crypto.com, how to register for the withdrawal whitelist and send it as well. So you'll be notified on that. So just in case if you haven't watched those videos, that will help you prepare for what we're going to go to next week. So, all right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Don't be sure to continue to build your foundation, and I'll see you at the top. Take care, guys.